Hello coders, if after a particular label you want to add a semicolon at the end of it, so don't do it manually in this way. So again in this particular cell I'll be double clicking and then again applying giving some spaces or maybe tabs. No, you can't give tab because tab moves the cursor to the cell right side to it. So instead of doing this manually in this way, what you can do is that you can apply a cell formatting. Then the formatting will be something like this. Select this range of cells. So within this range of cells I'll be applying some formatting, which is something like, so for number we use in the custom section hash, while for text we use at the rate and then simply star and then spaces and then the special character which I want to apply, maybe this double greater than sign. Now press OK. So that's how. Again, let me show you by changing in special character, right click and then go to format cell, and from this custom section all you need to do is this at the rate represents the text present in the cell, after that star and multiply it with the spaces and give your special symbol which you want to appear, which you want to show at the end of that particular cell. So maybe this time I'll be giving maybe this kind of symbol, or maybe how about hyphen this one. Now press OK. Well, so that's a short video on formatting a particular range of cells. Thank you all guys and happy coding.